Hello and good morning. This is TradersClub24 and my name is Christian. Welcome to our market opening trade here with the DAX. So don't mind all the lines here on my chart, MT4, and we are currently looking at the DAX. So let us talk about the lines here for a second. I do have an indicator called big number. So 12,700, 12,600, 8, 9, and so on. Because I like these lines. Usually there's either a breakthrough or a bounce back. Either way, ideal setups for our Swissbox trading style. We're also looking here at the daily pivot lines. So daily pivot, we do have the Fibonacci as well. And we do have a couple of boxes, a blue box over here, an orange box here on the right. So yeah, we'll come to that later. First off, it's 8:53 and we are preparing ourselves for the market opening trade. So let's switch to the M1 time frame. Before I'm going to place the lines, please keep in mind that we do have the producer price index coming out this afternoon and at 8 p.m. German time. It's the Fed interest decision from the guys over in America. So yeah, stay awake and stay alert as well. So far, 8:54 current time. We opened with a very slight gap, and the DAX has traded within a range of 24 points, which is shown here by this grayish brownish box. And we are not trading the whole range, which is the top and the bottom of that box, but just a part of it. Ideally, you want to have a box cutoff of 15 points. And by saying box, I mean the difference between my buy stop pending order and my sell stop pending order. So the difference here is 15 points. So we are either going to place these or my individual box on the top of the first hour of trading or on the bottom. In this case, the price is trading towards the low of the first hour. I'm going to select this range, size, target, that's always a given, and I'm just activating these lines now. 4.5 minutes to go for the market opening here in Germany. So it's 9 a.m. and once it ticks 9 a.m. I'm going to expect an impulse either to the top or to the downside. Doesn't matter, as we are working with pending orders here. So I'll be back in a couple of moments with you. So 8:56 and we are in our first trade, short. So the price has crossed the sell stop pending order and we now have the blue line, which represents our take profit. Okay, 4 seconds to go. 3, 2, 1, and it is 9 a.m. here in Germany. The market has just opened and we are in our second trade. You see the blue line jump from below here to slightly above our daily pivot line. So for our trade management, that means that we have opened a second trade simultaneously. The first one is still running. The first one is still running, and the second one as well, which you can see here on the right-hand side. Please keep in mind that the second one is using a different volume size. So we do have a specific multiplicator which calculates the needed volume to reach our take profit, whether it's the first trade, the second trade, the third trade, and so on. Okay, so let's wait until we have a clear direction. So far it's not much going on. So 4 minutes past 9, still in the second trade, not really much, not a lot going on. So not really an impulse trading this morning. So maybe now we get into the third trade. Alright, so now in the third trade, and again the blue line has jumped from up here to below here, currently sitting at a price level of, come on, 12,839 points. Just one more point needed. Come on, and there we go. That's it. Trade number 411 in a row. So good stuff here. 5 minutes past 9. So let me just join the trade for you one more time. Third one and the first one. So a bit more interesting than the last couple of days when always the first trade went straight ahead into the profit. Today we were using 3 trades. First one here, second one, third one, and at this price level, the blue line, all 3 trades got closed out one by one, and at the end of the day we were left with a take profit of 0.10% calculated, as always, on my account balance. Thanks very much for watching. Have a great day, and I'll see you tomorrow morning. Bye bye.